Hello everybody. Today I will introduce the protective mask factory. Come with me. This is the dressing room. All the employees come inside and wear the hat and the shoes, and then they can get inside. Here is the tea room. When the employees feel thirsty or tired, they can get inside and drink water for a rest. Through this glass, you can see the entire production process very clearly. Okay? Let's get inside and see everything. From this part, you can see 8 protective mask machines. It's rolling and rolling. Each machine capacity is 250,000 pieces every day. And these are the loop sticker machine area. All these machines are automatic. And this part is a man-made loop sticker area. So many people. So at this part, we can speed up the efficiency. Here we go. This is the biggest machine here. The speed is very fast. The capacity is 600,000 pieces every day. Check the speed. So, in this area, the total capacity for this workshop is 2,600,000 pieces every day. It's really a big capacity. And here we can see all the packing room. All the masks packed here and finished, sent to all the other countries. So, if you really need the protective mask, come for Hodo. Hello everybody. Hodo Group is also a very responsible company. He do a lot of social work. In March the 28th, Hodo Group donated 1 million pieces of masks to the Cambodia. This is really stressing the China and the Cambodia relationship. Also, during the China coronavirus lockdown period, Hodo Group finished 650,000 pieces isolation gowns, and they sent to the Wuhan, which make a great contribution to the coronavirus fighting. And then Chinese government sent us a letter for showing gratitude. This is Hodo Group. Hodo want to share our love to all the country and all the world.